Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, my lecture. My name is Irfan Syauqi and I'm from LA17. This is my subject, Enterprise System, and I'm going to representing my final exams answer. So it's because I have only 3 minutes, so maybe I'm going to representing my answer from number 1 until number 3. Okay, so I'm going to start representing with the help of screen record from my laptop. Okay, so let's start from number 1. Number 1 consists 3 sub-numbers, which are A, B, C. So let's start from 1A. So the question is, what are the goals of the project in Sun Energy Incorporation? So my answer to this, based on the case, the goals of the project in Sun Energy based on the case are designing and implementing a software to help the company by replacing the using of spreadsheet. The new system is meant to create system that has tighter security because the current system was lack of authorization and without audit tracking, therefore it was difficult to track on who accessed and modified the data. The goals are meaning to help the user as well, which in the case are sales departments, accounting manager, and other staffs in the corporation. And the goals were motivated and forced by their growing sales and varying sales commissions plans prompt the need for a centralized and automated commission system. Okay, we're going to the 1B. What the system analyst do to map out to the process of the project above. So the system analyst, which is Bob, has done some process on the project. He began with focus his time on converting the spreadsheet data to the new system and on customizing the many new user interfaces available. Then Bob interviewed the key staff to learn their needs for the interfaces. Then Bob did some agreement with Chris' request, which is to migrate the spreadsheet as a web page, and that's a major change. And at last, Bob showed the blueprint of the layout page to Chris before he did some discussion with Bill as a developer. That's the future direction. Okay, so the 1C is what are the requirements from sales department, and if I are assigned as the system analyst, how can I validate the requirements are archivable? Okay, so if I am the system analyst, then I would asking some requirements that should be included in the sequence project. So some requirements from sales department are like sales report, sales summary, detailed sales report, which include income, profit or loss, sales term, daily sales, sales categories, sales products, sales payment, inventories, list of products. So those are the requirements that should be required from sales department, and it is so. And the requirements like obligatory, and as a system analyst, I can validate the requirements by requesting and asking through the sales department. Okay, I think it's already more than 3 minutes, and I think that's all from my final exams answer. And more you can see from my answer here. And thank you for your time, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening lecture. Thank you.